Hi guys, hello everyone no. Meron akong i-share sa inyo guys no itong 5R 200 na matrix na moving heads guys no, yung tsaka yung Epson projector na sira guys no, tsaka gumana pa yung kanyang bulb tsaka yung balas niya guys no. So itatry natin yung balas niya guys doon sa moving heads na merong 5R 200 na bulb po guys no. Itatry natin guys kung gumana ba to, dahil sira na po yung balas ko guys no sa 5R 200 na moving heads guys no. So yan, tanggalin natin to guys, tsaka tignan natin yung sa moving heads guys. Okay. So, ito na po yung balas guys no, galing sa projector guys no, tsaka balas na galing sa 5R 200 watts na moving heads guys no. So, ito po yung kanyang guys no, board no. Parang pariha talaga sila guys no, yun no. Mayroong 4 na IRF guys no, tsaka yung isa meron din no. Tsaka yung capacitor niya guys no, hindi sila pariha, 3 yung isa tsaka 2 lang yung isa guys no. Dito try natin to guys no, ikakabit natin sa moving heads na matrix guys no. So here we go. So ayan na guys no, yung liit konti yung board guys no, hindi sila parehas sa maya sa kanyang screw guys no. Sa ito guys no, 2 lang yung mas screw natin guys no. Testing lang naman ito guys no, kung gumana ba sa 5R 200 na bulb guys no. So iyan na po guys. So, ayan na po guys no, ipa-power on natin guys no. Ayan yung display sa moving heads na matrix. Matrix ba to guys? So, matrix na 205R guys no. So, ayan guys no, umiikot na yung moving heads guys no. Nag-loading pa lang guys no sa ayan yung display guys no. All model pa to moving heads guys, pero ganda naman gamitin guys. So, meron ng power guys, no? So, yun guys, oh, umilaw na yung moving heads guys, oh. Yan, oh, umilaw. Yan lang yung balas galing sa ano guys, so galing sa projector. Tsaka yung kanyang bagay guys is 5R200 guys, no. So okay na po guys, no. Testing lang to guys, no. Hindi ko lang alam kung ilang hours to mag-work guys, no, kasi maliit yung balas guys. So sa ganito guys, okay lang ito siya pang testing guys, na sa kanyang mga moving heads na sira yung balas guys, no? Yun. So dito lang tayo guys, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.